In this video, I'm going to show you how to add VWAP on interactive brokers. So the first thing you want to do here, I'm currently on IBKR desktop, you want to go to layouts or anywhere really where you can basically see the chart. So if I go to layouts over here, I open up a custom layout with just the chart here. And what you want to do is you want to go to indicators up top left over here. And then in the search box, you want to look for VWAP. So VWAP, and under script name, it's going to basically show up. You want to click on it and it's going to get added. However, as you can see, it has like an exclamation point, and if you click on it, it says it's waiting for more data, and it doesn't have enough data, so you have to either zoom out or scroll left. So in case that's happening to you, what you're going to have to do, you simply want to change your time duration or time frame over here, the interval, up top left, click on it, and set it to, for example, 1 day. And as you can see, I now do have the VWAP or VWAP here on my chart. So that's how to add it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.